Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing and review video. These are the iPhone earphones and they're quite different and we'll get into that soon. So first, let's see the unboxing. They came packaged quite nicely in this box. It's been almost a week of testing these earphones out and now I can give my full review and opinions about it. So first, I love the blue color that's in this plug-in where you plug into your phone. It looks quite nice. And about the price, I bought them on eBay for around £4.2. But there are a few things you have to talk about. First, these are not plug and play. You can't plug into your phone and play automatically. These are supported by Bluetooth, and what you have to do is turn on Bluetooth on your phone, and there will be this pop-up that also appears when you connect your AirPods, and this will be written as Lightning. And what you'll have to do now is pair it and it will be connected. So what I was thinking is that why did they choose to have wired Bluetooth earphones? Because you can't plug and play this, and that doesn't really make sense because you cannot play it unless they are plugged in to your phone, and they'll still need Bluetooth for them to work. So I didn't get the point right there, but maybe they are trying to find better quality by connecting both Bluetooth and having it wired, and maybe not lose sound quality through Bluetooth or something. I don't know what they were trying to achieve, but I don't like the way they're not plug and play. But anyway, that's one thing. So let's talk about the audio quality. The audio quality sounds quite good. I'm gonna talk about how they feel in your ear. So first, what I really don't like once you wear them is that when you're shaking your head a little bit, you'll hear the stuff inside shaking, which can be quite annoying. And they feel quite good when you're wearing them, and they are really comfortable. They really don't fall off when I'm wearing them. And yeah, so another thing is that the earbuds can really break quite easily. Not really break, but this front part of the earbuds, maybe when they fall, especially the right one, maybe it's the case with mine, it really falls off and I have to fix it again. They are not really quite firm as you would expect them to be, but what you have to do is avoid maybe falling them off, and then make sure that you put them gently, maybe on the table. Don't just throw them away. And I quite experienced that and had to fix it quite a few times, but they're not quite as firm as you would expect them to be. So another thing is the microphone. So they had indicated this on the description that the microphone works and it works through Bluetooth, but I can confirm this microphone doesn't work, especially if you are looking forward now to use them for good video quality. Right now I'm not plugged it in, and I can try plugging it in right now to see if it becomes better. And as you can hear, as you can see, it doesn't really change that much, and pretty much doesn't really work as you'd expect it to be. That's something that you can't really look forward to if you're looking to buy these to improve your audio quality for your iPhone. I can say these are not the best. Maybe it's because these are the Bluetooth ones. Maybe the ones which plug and play really work out well, but these not really quite well. So as we end off this review, I know some of the things I said are negative, and most of them might sound negative, but I can say that these are cheaper options when you're looking for earphones for your iPhone, because $4 compared to $200 the AirPods. I know there are a lot of features that the AirPods has and this doesn't. They are wireless. They have spatial audio, which these don't have, by the way. They don't have the options for spatial audio, and they have better quality. They have silicone rubber. So yeah, all that you can't really compare this to that. But I can say that if you're looking for earphones, you can look for the ones which are plug and play. But if you don't find them, you can find these ones. But the fact that these use Bluetooth and doesn't plug and play doesn't really add up, and maybe that's the reason they're quite cheap, but they really serve the purpose, I can say that. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that review. If you still have any questions concerning these Bluetooth wired earphones, as I can name it, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And if you are new here, be sure to leave a like. I do up stories and tech reviews. And yeah, my name is Ian Duncan, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Peace.